It's October 12th. Nice, bright, sunny, and comfortable Sunday morning. I'm outside in the garden here at one of 5 remaining tomato bushes that I have. This one has green tomatoes. They actually harvest as green tomatoes, and it's still producing. They're doing pretty good. I also have green beans in this bed. They are growing slowly but surely. Might get a harvest at some point. I'm looking forward to it. Videotaping this on my phone because I just came out to do a walkthrough. I wasn't going to be outside very long, but I decided to film what I'm looking at. This is my lettuce bed, and lettuce bed is doing well. We have to come over and do some spraying here because we have something that is eating my cabbage here. It is practically gone. So I'm going to get my pump sprayer and spray the bed. The cabbages inside the cube look well. Nothing is bothering them, and they're growing pretty good. Here in the Tramal raised bed, again, we have something that is eating the plants. We have some infestation here on this plant and also on my one cauliflower plant here. So we're going to spray here as well. But overall, they look pretty decent. We have some damage down here also, so we're going to spray the whole bed. And we have 4 broccoli plants here. Looks as if there's a little problem here as well, so we're going to spray here. We have some what are these radishes here that have come up. They're doing pretty decent. In this bed, we have our cauliflower and more broccoli, doing good, no complaints. Our 2 types of radishes and rutabagas are doing better. We have more more broccoli here, and they are doing pretty decent. The collards have all of a sudden started to take off, and they're doing fantastic. We're going to give them a spraying also. In this bed, we have our okra, and I don't know, something looks a little different about these 2 okra plants. That they're not growing as fast as they were. We have 2 purple broccoli plants in here. We're going to spray them also. We have a bee there. Okay, we'll leave him alone. But our burgundy okra plants here are doing good, and squash plants are doing okay. Well, the one squash plant is doing okay. Our 4 determinate tomatoes here are doing good. We have tomato plants actually, I'm sorry, tomatoes actually coming in. I'm not sure if these were stung by something, but I see a little hole in the one tomato plant that's there. So I think something bit it, but the plants itself are doing great. My carrots here in this bed are doing fantastic. And we got a moth flying around. At some point, these burgundy plants, I probably am going to be cutting them down so I can use the bed for something else. I have cabbages growing inside, and they're not ready to come out yet, but that's going to be on the horizon at some point. This is pepper row. Pepper row continues to look well. We have peppers still popping up left and right. And I think I am going to remove my papaya plant from this small container. I have a container that's coming from Vigo. It's a citrus tree container that and it's self-watering, and I'm going to remove the papaya plant from here and put it in the new container, and we're going to move it out where the other fruit trees are also. I probably will do that with my two peach trees as well, so we have everything situated in one area, and we'll have this area just for peppers. And let's see, nothing wrong with these purple broccoli plants here. They're doing good. The leeks that we planted a couple days ago seem to be doing well. And the squash and purple cabbage in the cloth beds are doing well. And last but not least, over here in the metal raised bed, we have squash, and these are doing good. We have lots of male flowers that are showing up on one, but overall everything seems to be doing great.